Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Facebook Messenger application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now from your PC, you can either open up the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store and then log into your Microsoft account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you can simply click on the search box and then search for the Messenger application. Once you find this application, just tap on it and you will now see the Get button. Tap on this button and this will now download and install the Messenger application on your device. If you don't have the Windows or Microsoft Store on your device, or if you're using a Mac, you can open up your web browser and simply type in messenger.com in the address bar and press enter. Now from this page, click on Desktop app and you can click on the Download for Windows or the Download for Mac option in order to download and install the application. After downloading the file, open it up and click through the next buttons to install the Messenger app, and once it is installed, you can open it up from the shortcut or from the start menu, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Messenger application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.